Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use fire crystal in Whiteout Survival. So the first thing that you will need to do is to click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, this one, that's right. And then click on the weekly or monthly cards. So if you purchase one of this, of course, you would be able to obtain a, you know, fire crystal. But I also recommend you to just click on this, okay, and then just do the missions and then upgrade it. Okay, so you could obtain an amazing fire crystal. Okay, so as you can see, I can no longer upgrade it because I am always upgrading my fire crystal. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.